Hi guys, it is time for math during summer school and we are going to talk about 10 frames. So today we're going to kind of review what we talked about during the school year. And if you remember, a 10 frame has a kind of like a chart with 10 squares on it. Sometimes they're full, sometimes they're empty, so it depends, and that means how many there are, okay? So for example, this one is how many? So let's count. Remember, we're gonna talk about what it looks like and how many there are, okay? This is a good way to practice knowing what two numbers equals 10. Okay, so 1, 2, this is hard to do. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 on the top. How many up and down? 1, 2. Okay? You see that? So if you know multiplication, you know 2 times 5 equals 10. If we can count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so if it's full, means 10. Okay, we're going to go through all of the tens frames from 1 to 10. We're going to talk about how many to equal 10. 10 is a nice number, it's a magic number, and it's a number that you need to keep in the back of your head when we're talking about 10 frames, because the number 10 is in that phrase, 10 frames. Okay, so how many is this? 1. 1 plus what equals 10? If you don't know, you can count. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1 plus 9 equals 10. If you know this is 9, but when we add one more, this is 9, 10. Okay? Cool. What's this one? 2. 1, 2. Should be easy to identify, right? But how many left to equal 10? We'll count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 plus 2 equals 10. If you know 8, 1, 2, 1, 2, 10. You know, another way, remember, I'm always saying put that number in your head and count on. Well, we know that this bottom one is 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's the same thing, right? We just counted faster. Okay, so 2 plus 8 equals 10. What's this one? How many? It's 3. How many blank to equal 10? So I know this bottom one is how many again? 5, 6, 7. So I know 7 plus 3 equals 10. So I could do 5, 6, 7. How many here? 1, 2, 3. Showing you some tricks here. That's pretty cool. Okay, what's this one? How many? 4. So how many to equal 10? 5. Don't have to count because we know that's 5, and one more equals 6. So 4 plus 6 equals 10. This is also going to help us when we talk about math, because when we're talking about bills or maybe some of the coins, this is going to help us remember that we need to count on. We don't count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Because we already know, we could see it's on the dollar bill or it's on that coin, and we have to count on. Good job. This one's so hard. How many? 1, 2, 3, 5. How many on the bottom? It's the same, just empty. 5. So 5. 5 equals what? 10. Good job. Okay, so this is what I was talking about when we're counting bills, when we're counting money, we need to count on. So we know that this is 5. 1 more equals 6. This up here, 5. 1 more doesn't equal 2, equals 6. Okay? So 6 plus what equals 10? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 plus 4 equals 10. This fits in those blanks. What? Okay. Okay, we have a few more, and then it's time for you to practice. What number is this? We know it's the same as the dollars, as the bills. That we don't need to count because we know it's 5, 6, 7. Yeah. How many more do you need to equal 10? 1, 2, 3. 7 plus 3 equals 10. You can also use your calculator if you have a phone, or if mom or dad will let you borrow theirs, you can use the phone for a calculator. Figure it out, okay? 3 more. How many on top? Do we have to count them? Probably not. We know it's 5, 6, 7, 8. How many more to equal 10? 2. So 8 plus 2 equals 10. Nice job. We're almost finished. This is harder. This 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is 9. How many more to equal 10? 1. So 9 plus 1 equals 10. This one's going to trick you. How many? 5, 10. Okay, so I know that 2 5s equal 10. This, same as this, same thing. Okay, so good job. We did a lot of counting today, so this is really good practice. And remember, if you can make your own, that would be awesome. So keep practicing, keep counting, count things at home, count markers, count pencils, count the beds in your home, count the people in your home, count the number of books you have at home, but remember to keep on counting, okay? See you next week.